Hey guys, it's Layla. Today I will be doing a video, and it's going to be called I think this is going to be called me trying to play with slime with fake nails. So these are fake. They're very fake. I bought them at Claire's, and they are really shiny. They're like a really rose gold color. And I'm going to be trying with one store-bought and two I made. So I guess let's get to the video. So make sure you give us this video. Actually, let's see if this video can get to 10 likes. I only want 10 likes for this video because that will have a lot of help, guys. And make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell somewhere down here. And if you want to look at a video where I ASMR, whatever it is, AMSR, or ASMR, it's up in the iCard, up in there, somewhere up there. Me and McKenna were doing it, and we posted it on YouTube, so let's get to it. So, guys, I think I'm going to go with my store-bought slime first. This was $2.50. I mean, what? No, $2.25. $2.25. Now, I felt this before, but not with fake nails, so I'm actually really excited to see if it feels any difference or if it feels the exact same. It probably does feel the exact same. It just might not feel like me playing with it like I did last time. Of course it won't. So this is the jiggly slime. It's called Unicorn Poop Low-Key Poopy Slime. Super cool. Ages 5 and up. So if you guys are watching me and you're younger than 5, then I don't recommend this to people. And people who are older than 5, I got this on Pipers. So make sure to go to Pipers and check this out. So it actually feels the exact same thing. But what I like about the most about this, so they're metallic sort of, and then also metallic. Like, that's really cool. So that's the store-bought slime. It's not much harder to do with, but like, it's not really stretchy. That's the point I don't like. Like, if I had to rate this at a scale of 1 to 10, with no fake nails and just playing with it, I rate this probably like an 8.5, maybe a 7. But with the fake nails, it's a bit harder to play with, but it makes it really crunchy and stuff, like gooey, so I'd probably say a 5. But overall, this is a pretty good slime. I recommend you guys getting it. So that's that. And so I think that's a pretty good slime. Yeah, good slime. Definitely recommend you guys getting it. No, I'm not being sarcastic, seriously. Yeah, I definitely recommend you guys getting it. It's a really good slime. But even if you don't have fake nails, even if you have fake nails, it's still a good slime. Now I'm going to go with the unicorn poop slime that is $6. I'm selling this one. So if anybody comments down below, you will get this. And if you give me a shout out and you subscribe, then I'll give you it for free. But if you just want to come to my house and buy it, then you certainly can. And then you can do that. But no trackers. I'm not telling you my phone number. You're just going to find my house, okay? Just going to find my house. So, problem is with this is that this is probably you guys probably have problems with this all the time if you guys wear fake nails. The hardest part is to get slime out of the jar because the jar or the container or bags are extremely hard to do because you want to be really careful, but so you don't know how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so I got it out, slow and steady. I got it out. This isn't a great slime by itself, so yeah.
Give the gift of devotion with our incredible selection of jewelry, including hundreds of pieces under $2.99. There to be devoted only at Jericho.
So I want to give another shout out to Kyle and Rylan's crazy videos because they have 10 subscribers or even 12. So I'm gonna see if this video can get to at least 2 subscribers. So then I will have 6 subscribers. That will really help, guys, because I don't have many. But doesn't matter what other people think, guys. It matters if you like my videos and if you not like my videos. And if you don't like my videos, I will do some more, like some cool videos. And because I've been thinking with my friend if we're gonna do a touch my body part challenge, but we don't know for sure if we're gonna do that yet. So, but we're gonna think about it because it's kind of inappropriate. But so it's gonna be regular. So that's that, and I'm really excited to do it. And I think I'm doing it with my friend Avery. Yeah, from Gamey Girls, Gamey Avery, Gamey Avery. She does lots of games on her channel, so make sure to check out Gamey Avery. And you will see her. There's lots of Gamey Amy's. I don't think she posted her YouTube channel yet, but she will, and I'm going to help her because not a lot of people know how to do that. But I will help her. I will help her. I will help her. I will help her. So, guys, this is actually a really good slime. I suggest if you make a slime and it's like this one, like this is a butter slime. It's butter. Oh, I got heart for you guys. How much I appreciate you. Oh God, it's sinking. It's sinking. Yeah, so I recommend this slime. If you guys want it and you have fake nails, then yeah. So make sure if you subscribe for 2 of my videos and you comment down below which slime you want and if you comment down below which slime you want, I will give it to you, or you just come buy it and you will have a lot of good slimes, and you will have, and guys, I'm not trying to scam, but this is actually a really good slime. No offense, but I have to say this. Okay, this is a really sticky slime, so I'm kind of nervous. It actually got less sticky. Oh, no, it's still sticky. And last time I played this, guys, I got my hands all blue. This is like my other one, except it's a bit more like sticky. A bit more sticky. So this is what it looks like, guys. It looks way more blue on camera, but it's actually green. It looks blue. It might look blue on camera. And guys, also comment down below if this looks blue, because it's actually green, but it might look blue on camera. Yeah, I think it looks a bit bluer on camera. Yeah, see, guys, it's kind of staining. It's not really, but if you guys come up to come up close, you will start to see like my hands are green. Can't really see it now, but if you actually come up face to face with me, then you'll see like the green all over my hands. With fake nails, this is probably not the best slime because it's sticky and it's gonna rip off your nail, I'm guessing. So I suggest not using this one. And I think this one is $4, and $4.50. $4.50. That's $5. And this one is $6.10. So yeah, $6.20. I'm guessing. Yeah, $6.50, but it's actually $6.10. But we're gonna add a bit more on it because tax limits. But we don't usually do tax, but since it's a YouTube, we're gonna add a bit more money on it.
He takes it very seriously as U.S. commanders out here too. They are very closely watching the
And when I send it to you guys, it will definitely get here. If you guys live somewhere else and you're watching me, then it will take a bit longer. I currently live in Newfoundland with the drifty snow. I'm just being like the weatherman or the woman. Oh my God, I'm crazy today. I'm not a man, am I? I'm not a man. Oh, new trick, guys. Like, so I'm just doing this. Like, that's what most people do. But can you guys do this? Straight hand. Probably easy, but this looks weird.
Barbara Starr, great to have you on the story. Thanks very much. Soon, President Trump is expected to declare
It looks really weird, guys. Then we put it this way. It's really weird. Just look at that. That looks really weird. But yeah. So I highly don't recommend this. I really don't recommend this because if you have fake news, if you don't have fake news, yeah, buy it, or even like some members will subscribe to my videos, and yeah, because I need more subscribers, guys. It will really help. So you guys will get. I'm only selling 1 to 1 person if you subscribe 2 times. That's how it goes. Because then I'll get more subscribers, and then if I get 4 more subscribers, I'll have 7 subscribers, and that'll be awesome. Great job. So I really hope I do that, and you guys comment down below which slime you want, and that would be amazing. And yeah, this is my chin holder. So, oh wait, no, this is my chin. It's my chin holder. So I want you guys to tell me how much you like my videos, and also how much you think I'm good at doing videos. If you guys don't love my videos, tell me and I'll fix it. But for now, Quando Dito, peace out.